Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. This is a space just for you to relax and reconnect with the present moment. Find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, on a cushion, or lie down, as long as you feel relaxed but alert. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat this 2 more times, allowing your body to relax a little more with each exhale. Now, bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change it. Simply observe it. Notice the cool air entering through your nose and the warmer air leaving. Follow the natural rhythm of your breath. This is your anchor to the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Imagine your breath as a wave, flowing in and out. Let yourself be carried by its rhythm, effortlessly observing. Now let's bring awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head. Notice any sensations without judging them. Is there tension, relaxation, warmth, or coolness? Whatever you feel is okay, just as it is. Bring your attention to your face. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Move down to your neck and shoulders. Let go of any tension with each exhale. Now focus on your chest, feeling it rise and fall with your breath. Then your belly, let it completely soften. Continue down, bringing your awareness to your legs, all the way to your feet. Notice every sensation. Your body is here, grounded in the present. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've given yourself, for your body that supports you, for the simple act of breathing. Even small things deserve our gratitude. Repeat to yourself, I am here. I am present. This moment is enough. Let these words resonate within you as you continue to breathe slowly. When you feel ready, slowly begin to return to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Bring a bit of movement to your body. Open your eyes when you're ready, and take a moment to notice how you feel now. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Remember, meditation is a practice. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs your presence. See you next time.